So Pascal's triangle is a more simplified way where you can actually do combinations of numbers when you get into binomial expansion. Alright, and how was Pascal's triangle derived, or in what way can we draw the Pascal's triangle? It's very simple. Now it's this: you start out with 1, you are going to be drawing it in a shape of a triangle. 1 starts first, then it moves on to 1 more. Okay, then thereafter you move on to 1, 2, 1. What does this has to tell you? This means when you have 1 as your power for your binomial, these are the coefficients you use. You get to understand when we move into binomial expansion in proper. Alright, this is when we have 2 as our power of our binomial, where you have x plus y raised to the power of square, right? Exactly. This is 2 as our power, so this will be the coefficients we use for each of what of this term in this one, in this binomial, right? Alright, so what happens? This is for 2. Then now we can derive for 3. 1 add 2 gives 3, 2 add 1 gives 3, and then you have 1 at the tail end. Same thing goes for 4. Start out with 1. 1 add 3 gives 4, 3 add 3 gives 6, 3 add 1 gives 4, and then it ends with 1. You can see it beginning to form a triangle. This is a triangle. Can you see that? If you continue up until as much as you want. Alright, let's move on. You can have for 5. 5, start out with 1. 1 add 4 gives 5. 4 add 6 gives 10. 6 adds 4 gives 10. 4 adds 1 gives 5. And then you end up with 1, right? Moving on. 1 starts. 1 add 5 gives 6. 5 adds 10 gives 15. 10 add 10 gives 20. 10 adds 5 gives 15. 5 add 1 gives 6. And end with 1, right? Now you can see it's coming to form a triangle. Look at this. 1 is crossing out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 3, 6, 10, 15. 1, 4, 10, 20. 1, 5, 15. It's in a particular order, right? Same thing happens here. So that is why we call it the Pascal's triangle. Moving on, start out with 1. 1 add 6 gives 7. 6 add 15 gives 21. 15 add 20 gives 35. 20 add 15 gives 35. 15 add 6 gives 21. 6 add 1 gives 7, and end with 1. You can continue on and on and on and on to as many powers as you have. You can do till 20, as much as you want. So this is basically what Pascal's triangle is talking about.